Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have here, alright, I have Ipsy, May. This was May. Came nice and damaged, the box, lovely, wonderful. And I have June's, my July's on its way, but I've been a little busy. That's why I haven't been filming anything. And plus, I hate these freaking boxes. They're not as luxe as, what do you call that? Regular Boxycharm boxes. And I don't like really the products too much that come in these boxes anymore. So I'm actually going to be probably doing like every 2 months, probably do the haul. Maybe I'll do once a month. I don't know if I'm going to do it monthly anymore, or if I'm going to combine 2 months into one video. So I'm going to do it how I feel fit for that month, or for that bi-monthly thing. If I feel like filming for just the 1 month, I'll do it that month. If not, I'll do the 2 months. Like it's my choice, my channel. I'm getting really busy, so it's really hard for me to sit here and actually film videos. Like I do have a full-time job. There's other things that are in the works in the background that I will get a video up explaining what is going on. Nothing bad, it's good. It's not, no, it's not merch. I don't have that kind of a following for merch, but I'm just going to stop rambling and I'm going to get into my Ipsy box here. This one here is for May. It says discover yourself. What's this stupid little card? See, these cards, they don't say nothing about what the product is like Boxycharm did, and I missed that because I liked being able to tell you what it is and how much these products are. And I'm not taking these products and going and Googling how much these things cost. You guys can do that. So we're going to start off with, what is this? Wake and Shine Lip Balm by who? V Collection? I don't freaking know. It's called Smoothie is the color. My glasses, I think, are sitting over there somewhere. You would think that I would just go get them and put them on, but I don't feel like it. I should just rip this open, to be honest with you, to get out the product. But it's basically like this kind of packaging. It's like a sage green. It's pretty. Cheap plastic. The color is pretty. I'm going to rub it on my hand. That is a nice, pretty, summery color. I don't mind that. And it kind of has like a berry scent to it, so it smells good. Next we have here is Ole Hendrickson, the Strength Trainer Peptide Boost Moisturizer. I believe Tati talks about this all the time, that her and James actually love this. So since I had an opportunity to try it, I figured I'd get it. And it's in this pretty purple packaging. I have yet to try any of my Ole Hendrickson products that I own, because I'm trying to go through everything else that I have. And I don't know, but I'm feeling like these Ipsy boxes anymore are skincare based. And I don't have it set as that even when I was Boxycharm. It was mostly makeup, some skincare, and it's now like mostly skincare and some makeup. Next we have, which I love, these little perfumes from Pacifica. I get these at, what do you call that store? Oh, Target. And I actually have, I do not have this scent, but I actually have 3 other scents sitting over there. So when I seen that I was getting this, I was so excited. It smells delicious. They're great sizes for traveling. The only problem I have is, can I have a cap to that? Because that will now get squished in your bag. So what I do is I take the atomizers, whatever you want to call them, and then I pop this off. I pump some scents into it, and that's how I travel. I usually travel with like these scents, because like beachy smells. So that's what I usually travel with, is these little scents, and they're good. All right, another makeup product. Let me see, and this is by LYS. Trying to, their packaging, a little triangle. I'm not even showing you the packaging. This is the pretty little packaging for the Pacifica perfume. Did I even show you the bottle? I'm such a bad person. It's been a while since I've had to. And that's what the little bottle looks like. It's so pretty. Alright, back to the LYS. The triangle shape that they're known for. Let's see, how do I get into this? I think I opened this and it wasn't nothing that I really wanted. So, I mean, it's an okay eyeshadow palette. So, I mean, this is a better way of me showing you the colors is by showing you back here. This is what they look like up close. More or less like this is what the colors look like. So it's not a bad palette. I don't know about these little sparkly ones. I guess I would have to try it out. Who knows? Alright, next we have Silk Leave-In Conditioner. It is. I've never heard this brand. And it's for all hair types. Hydrates, fight frizz, and repair with Silk Leave-In Conditioner designed to recondition and revitalize the look and texture of your hair. So let's see if it's a safety cap. It is, but I can kind of smell it through that. It's powdery, a powdery scent. I don't know if I like that, but I like the packaging. It's pretty. Alright, last but not least, we have Whispering Rose by Violet Voss. I have quite a few products from eyeshadow palettes from Violet Voss. And that's what the packaging looks like. Actually, it's not even an eyeshadow palette if I would have freaking paid attention. It's a 4-color blush palette, and it says it clearly on there. I'm a dum-dum. But those are the colors right there. Now, I don't know who that's showing up on, but that's definitely not going to show up on me. I don't even think it will show up on the palest of pale people, like, at all. That's, like, so light. I mean, I would probably just mix them all together. That's probably what I would do. So, I mean, they're okay color. I'm keeping that thing on there, but they're an okay color. So now I have a blush palette from Violet Voss. But I do also have eyeshadow palettes too from them, him, her. I don't know who they are, but from that company. Alright, moving on to the June box. Get rid of the packaging. Once again, not a darn thing of what any of this stuff is. Just save the dates on what's coming up. Alright, we're going to start off with Toe Vegan. It's an Orange Oasis serum. So, what is it, like a vitamin C serum? So, this is the packaging. Hearing weird noises outside, but whatever. And then this is what it looks like here. I don't want to open it up. Oh! The banging is actually the fan blowing the Ipsy-Box into the other box, and it's making a tap, tap, tap noise. I'm going crazy. But we'll see about that. I don't want to open it. Next I have here, and it is Symbiosis London PR, so it's white peony and blah, 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 something complex. And it is enlightening and exfoliating cleansing gel. And that's what the packaging looks like. Why are you just not focusing, ma'am? Ma'am, focus and read. Focus and read. I know I didn't mess up any of my settings, so I don't get why. Can you guys read that? I guess so. Maybe? I don't know. Whatever, it's a cleansing gel. Okay. Okay, so see, that was two skincare products in one in this box so far. Can't get into this one. This one they have sealed up. This one is from Origins. It's Checks and Balances, and it is a fruity face wash, or frothy, not fruity, frothy face wash. Once again, skincare, and that is the packaging for that. another skincare, and it is by by Neogen Dermatology, and it is the Real Betulio Bacolcio firming serum. You all can read that yourselves what it says. I don't know what it's how you say that, but it is a 10% phytoretinol firming booster. So another skincare product, and this one's completely sealed, so I won't be taking it out of the box to show you what the packaging is. Next we have here, it looks like finally a makeup product, and the color is Golden Golden Boss Squad, called the Shots. So I wonder what this is. And it's by Il Makiage. Hello. Oh. And this is actually pretty. It's a pretty little neutral palette. Kind of leaning cool tone. I don't know how that brown is going to be, but this is actually really nice. All you need is really a transition shade, because these are like shimmers and that's like a deepening. So all you need is like one little transition shade, and this is be a nice to go eyeshadow palette. Last comes into this box here, and it is the Retro Glam palette. I don't remember getting this. But it is by Natasha Denona. I don't know why I would have gotten this, because it looks like it's going to be mostly green. The packaging is gorgeous, as she always does. And I don't wear greens. So why'd I get that? I don't know why I would have got that. I mean, I'm probably never going to use it, and that's so sad. That's so sad, because I don't use these colors. So maybe I'll figure out something to do. Maybe I'll start doing some, not tutorials, but just maybe just sit downs and chitty chats and whatever. I know not a lot of you care about that with me, but I want to change up what I'm doing to be not just hauls and stuff. So, and my decision. So that was it for the 2 Ipsy boxes. Not impressed really at all. Like, there were some things, some really good items in here, especially when they're the things that I'm choosing. The stuff that they're choosing, I never even heard of these companies and brands. It seems like when it was Boxycharm, it was more higher end stuff than named things that I know of. This is just, I don't know. So we'll see how this keeps going, if I'm going to continue on with Ipsy, Boxycharm. But I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And until I see you all again, have a great day. Thanks. Bye.